Hey everybody, Sean Zinsmeister here, Product and Developer Relations Lead for the Google Data Cloud team. And today I'm really excited to showcase a brief demo for our new AI Studio and Firestore integration. This is bringing full stack vibe coding capabilities right to AI Studio to really make vibe coding with an invisible database really easy. So we're in the middle of tax season right now, so I thought it would be fun to use AI Studio as if I were a CPA to build an application that I could use to interact with my clients and secure messaging, and also make use of the integration with Firestore as well. And I'll walk you through everything. So, started with not a too intricate prompt here, but I kind of broke down what I was looking for, gave it a product ID, and also added the database and authentication right from AI Studio, which you can do with just a click of a button. And really, what you're going to see is how the AI really understands my goal. So it processed at a high level what I wanted. I'd included some very specific things there too, like products that I wanted inspiration from. I highly recommend doing this to give as much context to the AI. So things like, hey, I really like products like Credit Karma and Mint and QuickBooks as inspiration here. And what you'll see is it kind of breaks down things like into different kind of concrete features like authentication and dashboard and document management. These are all things that I listed as well. And so then it's going to go ahead and it generates the code based upon this configuration. So it asked me to please accept the terms for Firebase. It was really easy to just set this up. It's going ahead and set up the Firebase project, define the structure and schema for the data within Firestore as well. And so as a part of this just demonstration, I also wanted to showcase where the Firestore data model was looking at as well. So you can see how it broke things down here. In addition, I seeded it with sample data just so you could see this kind of come to life. But the AI was acting directly on the Firestore database and sort of wrote this new data directly to it. It had its secure authentication. It built my CPA dashboard, the secure messaging that I asked for. This actually looks like really great. Here I can have all of the documents. If you're a CPA, you want your clients to be able to upload all of their receipts and donations and all that stuff that you're going to curate in order to do their taxes. And so we wanted to make sure that we had the back end structure to be able to handle that data. Of course, we want an easy way for them to be able to book appointments with me, as well as a secure messaging interface. So if they have questions, then they can easily just answer this directly back and forth, but all kind of wrapped in a secure messaging interface as well. So security and real time. And then, AI just made this easy. It worked directly with the Firestore database. I wrote this data that I had a click of the button added just so I could create some sample data as well. And really just made this into a very workable application that's all good and ready with Firestore, Firebase, AI Studio, and of course, Google Cloud as well. So this took just a matter of minutes for me to describe what I wanted. A mere mortal like myself can create a pretty engaging application that's secure by design and will help me save time and deliver a whole new experience to my clients. So hope you enjoyed the brief overview of this demo and excited for you to try out our new AI Studio and Firestore integration. And thanks for listening and let me know what you think.